Hello everyone and welcome to the third lecture of figuredrawingonline.com. This lecture will be on the upper leg. The upper leg is large in volume but it's quite simple in shape. Rectus femoris, which we have just here in the middle. So this bit in the middle is this one here, just seen barely. The one on the side is the vastus lateralis, and that's about it. So these are the large muscle groups that we need to think about. So front and side, one large barrel. The one on the inside, the inner thigh, then those are the adductors, and then in the back, two prominent muscles running on the side going down. One is the biceps femoris, and the other one is the semitendinosus, and they kind of envelope the knee from the two sides. As we determined, that's the front of the pelvis. From that point, you can see just there muscle forms flowing down, and again using the contour lines just to indicate the thrust of this shape. Again, we will have the sartorius coming down somewhere there, and having the adductor group just there. Again, I will visualize this other upper leg as a cylinder coming down somewhere there. It's very interesting, this interplay of small shapes. And then, so we have the heel somewhere there, and just to plant it all on the ground, the other heel needs to be somewhere there, and for that, the lower leg. See how I just indicate the lower leg? It's just a line, but it already carries within the indication of the thrust, of the direction, and that is really important. That is as the spinal cords, spinal cord muscles, extraordinarily powerful muscles that keep us erect. And then, of course, I need to take into account that this body is turned. And that the arm in slight foreshortening. Can you see how I'm just drawing these circles? Those circles will give me the hand, which is indeed a cylinder. But these initial circles allowed me to a large extent to visualize them. There's the hand going up, and there's the chest, ribs. There's no, I'm not trying to be careful. It's really just throw it on. Just experiment with it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will catch you with the next lecture, which will be on the knee. In the meantime, practice and draw as much as you can. Thank you very much for watching.